will briefly explain the project overview of our project. This project is structured into 3 quiz rounds: easy, medium, and hard. The easy round focuses on basic financial definition and simple recall question. The medium round requires students to apply financial concepts to simple real-life situations such as personal investing or credit card usage. The hard round involves scenario-based questions that encourage deeper analysis and critical thinking. The main objective of this project is to enhance student understanding of fundamental financial topics, including investing, credit, and retirement planning, and to help them apply this knowledge in daily life. For the platform, we use Blooket, a gamified learning tool that includes features like timed question, leaderboards, real-time score, and instant feedback. This made learning more interactive and engaging. Overall, the impact of the project is that it makes learning fun, gradually boost critical thinking skills, and promote financial literacy in a practical and enjoyable way.
Alright, for the project descriptions, our project took the form of live quiz competition structured into 3 rounds. Round 1, the easy level that have 5 questions, 2 MCQ and 3 true or false questions, on basic concepts like credit, or spending, and variable expenses. This round actually as a warm-up and help everyone to get comfortable with the platforms. Next, for the round 2, the medium level also had 5 questions, 3 MCQ and 2 true or false questions, but focused on real-life applications such as understanding charts of credit, debt risk, and estimate retirement need. Lastly, round 3 was the hard level that had 5 questions also, which is 4 MCQ and 1 true or false question, with scenario-based questions. This required deeper analysis like outstanding balance, investment alternative, and future consumptions. It required deeper reasoning and decision making. For the rules, our gameplay had 14 members. One person actually as the host responsible for explaining the rules, keeping time, and maintaining the flow of the competitions. The other 30 members participate in the quiz to answer questions, apply knowledge, and quiz decision making under pressure. For scoring, we use Blooket built in the system where points will award based on accuracy. This made the game more exciting and lively with real-time leaderboards using an instant feedback. It also making decisions quickly and accurately.
Now let's move on to our section objective and outcomes in this project. The aim was to improve students' financial literacy, but also to make the learning process meaningful and fun. We want students to apply them in real life. Our main objective was an enhanced understanding of key financial concepts such as credit, budgeting, investing, and retirement. These are not just academic topics but essential life skills. For example, budgeting helps us to manage daily expenses, while credit and investing prepare us for bigger financial responsibilities. Another important objective was student practice critical thinking to solve their problem in decision making. This project requires a role like host and participant, which show how coordination, communication, and support are vital. Finally, we aim to make financial literacy fun and interactive by using Blooket. So, for an outcome, financial literacy was to find interactive and hands-on learning using a quiz format to help students learn more effectively and pick up valuable skills. Secondly, most of the students achieve a better understanding of financial topics. The quiz format uses repetition and feedback, which helps students retain concepts more deeply instead of just memorizing. Another outcome was fast thinking under pressure. Since the points were based on speed and accuracy, students learn to make quick decisions. This project also developed collaboration skills. Participants have to prepare content and plan how to engage the audience. Lastly, this project was very memorable and enjoyable for us. This quiz method helps students to gain knowledge and financial literacy understanding.
Next, I will explain our project timeline from week 1 to week 5. In week 1, we focus on planning and setup. Our team held a meeting to agree on the project scope, objective, and success criteria. We then divided and assigned roles and responsibilities among team members. After that, we set up a shared workspace and project tracker to monitor progress. Finally, we developed an overall project timeline and established clear communication process within the team. Moving on to week 2, content development. We draft 15 questions complete with answer, key, and reasoning. Each question was carefully mapped to the relevant learning outcome. We also prepared draft model answer for reporting purpose. In addition, we designed a short post-quiz survey to collect feedback from participants. For week 3, development and training, we built and deployed the quiz game using the Blooket platform. At the same time, we developed presentation slides and draft infographic to support the quiz session. The MC prepared the script and conduct practice recording. We also carry out full internal training session, including mock quiz, to ensure everything runs smoothly. In week 4, implementation, we conduct the live quiz session, which allows clear round and smooth transition. The session was recorded and we capture leaderboard result and analytics data. After the session, we collect participant reflection and feedback through a post-quiz survey. Finally, in week 5, finalization, we review and analyze the quiz data and feedback collected. We prepare visual materials such as chart, infographic, and complete project timeline. The recorded video was edited and finalized with key highlight and reflection. We then complete the final report slide along with supporting infographic. Lastly, all project deliverables, including the video, report, analysis, and annotated quiz questions, were compiled and submitted.
Next, I will discuss about students' contributions whereby we have assigned our group member in pairing. I'd like to start by highlighting the vital role of Humaira, which is me, myself, Aina and Farda played in organizing our quiz. We took charge of inputting the questions that we carefully prepared, making sure the quiz was user-friendly, well-timed, and accessible to everyone. Our attention to detail ensured a smooth experience for participants. Meanwhile, Farda also worked behind the scenes on our project video, editing it to make sure it flowed seamlessly and looked professional. She managed the audio, visuals, added text and graphics, and finalized everything for our submission. Farda is the one who created the Blooket platform for our quiz sessions. Our combined efforts helped us present our ideas confidently and professionally. In terms of content creation, we developed practical quiz questions centered on key financial topics like cash budgeting, credit card use, and retirement planning. The questions emphasized real-life skills and understanding, making sure they were relevant and straightforward enough for students to grasp within the given time frame. We even contributed ideas for budgeting scenarios that students could relate to, which added authenticity to our quiz. Next, I want to acknowledge Nazifa and Shasha for their teamwork in preparing our report. They collaborated closely to divide the writing task, ensuring that the quality and consistency remained high throughout. Their effort resulted in a clear and cohesive report that effectively summarized our project. Nazifa and Shasha is the one who summarized our quiz results, highlighting the most important points about financial literacy in simple and understandable language. They created infographic sections and carefully coordinated visuals with the written content, paying attention to layout and presentation to make the report visually appealing. They reviewed the entire report to check for coherence, grammar, and overall presentation, making sure it was engaging and met all the guidelines. Their dedication helped us produce a professional and polished final document. Now, Aina and Shasha teamed up again to craft our presentation slides. They focused on making the slides clear, engaging, and aligned with the report and quiz activities. They kept the text concise, supported by relevant visuals, and enhanced the design with thoughtful layouts and color choices.
Hello everyone, for this part of presentation, I will explain the project documentation for our financial literacy quiz pool using Blooket. First, our group discussed and selected suitable financial literacy topic. The topic include budgeting, saving, investing, credit management, and retirement planning. This topic were chosen because they are important in daily life and related to what we learn in class. We prepare quiz question based on this topic. The question designed in different levels so that the quiz is fair and suitable for all participants. We also make sure the question were clear and easy to understand. After that, all the questions we upload in the Blooket application. We set the quiz time and score based on our project objective. Before the real season, we tested the quiz to make sure no problem and everything worked well. During the quiz season, participants answer the question in the apps and we do add in class. We took screenshot of the quiz question and result as evident. The season was also recorded and used in our video presentation. All this material we collected and organized as part for our project documentation.
Next is for visuals and media. First thing first is our team began by transforming our brainstorming ideas into concrete quiz questions, which we then input into the Blooket platform. This step allowed us to turn our concepts into an interactive activity. Then, during our initial sessions, we discussed the overall flow of the quiz, ensuring that it would be engaging and logical. We also brainstormed technical setup ideas to make sure everything ran smoothly on the platform. Next is participants logged in and actively participated by answering questions. Their engagement was directly reflected in the performance data generated by the platform, which we then reviewed carefully. Last but not least, we analyzed these results to evaluate our project's effectiveness and to identify areas for improvement. Finally, we conducted the scoring and evaluation, wrapping up our interactive experience with insights and reflections.
As you can see the first picture, we will verify the content before distributing the link to other participants. The second picture, participants' representatives have accessed the platform using the share link or code, and they use their nickname as their character. Next, we move on to picture number 3. After the quiz sessions, as you can see, the top 3 is the Orange Pizza, won the first place, followed by HHHH in the second place, and the third place is Olivia. And the last picture is the leaderboard result where the Orange Pizza achieved the higher accuracy of 87%, while Chami get the lowest accuracy of 69%.
Now I will talk about our reflection and lesson learned from this project. As a group, we realized that financial literacy is not just about memorizing but also applying concepts like managing debt wisely. To have a good financial plan for our future, this Blooket quiz from easy to hard or medium build our confidence and push us to think deeper and apply knowledge. This gamified learning style was far more effective than traditional lecture. Another key point was our teamwork. Each of members contributed in a different way, like hosting, editing, preparing questions, and designing. So, communication and sharing responsibilities keep everything smooth and easy.
Now, I will explain the future improvement. For future improvement, we can add more real-life financial scenario question because this will help participants to understand how to use financial knowledge in real situation. We can also increase the number of questions to cover more financial topic, and we need do a short explanation can be added after each question so participants can learn from their mistake. Lastly, the quiz can be conducted with more students or different classes to increase participation and make the activity more interesting. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.
In conclusion, investments allow us to grow our money and reach financial goals. Consumer credit reminds us to manage borrowing wisely to avoid debt stress, and retirement planning ensures we build and now saving for a secure future. When we invest early, use credit responsibly, and plan retirement with discipline, we strengthen our financial foundation and move closer to financial independence and long-term peace of mind.